probably really dark. Door's locked. Oh, kitty! Kitty, kitty, kitty! Kitty wants to go inside. So let's let the kitty back inside. Mike's little brother. He's a dirty outdoor cat. Alright, so, as you can probably hear from the dripping water, it is a wet, kind of warmy day. I have to go to BioLife, do that, donate some plasma. Mikey has to go to the vet for a checkup. And if I have enough time, I'm going to mail that letter to my friend in Finland. Oh, woo, woo. Happy day. This is my door handle. Auto door handle. Oh, maybe if you have it the right way, you could read it. So yeah, if I have enough time, because I have to go to the actual post office to mail that. I can't do it at the local place because of the grocery store down the street, because they don't do international mail anymore. Words are hard, especially when I'm trying to read all the mail. What the fuck? Why is a dead mom still getting mail? Dead for like somewhere between 6 and 8 years. I'm really bad at time. Here is my tax return stuff. So that's really awesome. I can do that already. This, I love water. I love little screens like this. And this is just so radical to me. Oh man, it's just so freaking cool. But then it goes over there into a giant puddle. Oh, look, there's another one. Just makes its own little path through the ice. And this one, oh, this is even longer than I thought. It goes way up here. And then up here. We can follow it way up the street probably. But this yard has a problem. All the water from that house comes down. The street goes downhill that way. This is our house. And comes down and it stops on the side of the house. And all the water leaks in. It doesn't drain around the house or anything. It just stops and it comes in. So it comes from their house, and then from the street, it comes down into the yard, and boom, here. And as you can see, I think, well, it's zoomy. You can see that thing is falling, and underneath the breezeway there is nothing. How do I know this? In my bedroom, maybe I can find pictures. In my Google Photos, there was a giant hole in the wall. For I have no idea what, but it's there, and I don't know what to do about it. Well, no, I do know what to do about it. I filled that hole. I filled the hole in the wall so it doesn't leak cold air. But I don't know what to do underneath that. Oh, but I gotta drive, and I want some music, so I shall return later. Well, this is going to work out if you can hear me or not. But I ran out of gas. My gas gauge is broke. Had to buy this. You can see the truck, maybe. I don't know. I can't. I'm sitting there. I had to run across the busy ass road to the gas station down there. and run to the Target. I gas all over this. I have in my hand. I just got food. So I'm getting from Burger King. Awesome day has turned into a really crappy day because of broken gas gauge. Alright, so as you can see, I got gas. I made it home. Probably covering the mic so you can't really hear me, but whatever. Figuring this stuff out as we go. So this has been here. This one I don't remember, but this and this is all new. I don't know what that is, but it's wiping off, but still makes me angry. And Big Mike has to get crammed into this little thing because it looks like somebody stole my good big cat carrier. Well, let's get this cleaned up and get him in there and head to the vets. Oh, yeah. As you can see, standing water. That's falling, cracked. The frame, just look at this. Doo-doo-doo. That window doesn't even fit in there properly anymore. That's all cracked. This, I don't know if you can tell in this video, but here and here has been repaired before. All the way up to this one. And here's the big one. I can't see from here. I don't want to climb over all of this crap. But maybe if I go on this side. All the way down to the end there is all falling out now. And I'm wondering when this garage is actually going to just fall down. Anyways, we'll be back. Gonna get that cleaned up for Mike. Peace. Well, we got him. He's in there. Doesn't really fit. As you can see, I have it not the right way. And of course, he's buckled in, so he's safe. Yeah, I know. It's a terrible thing. Terrible, terrible thing. Well, we'll be there in a little bit, so talk to you soon. Hey, get away from that. Well, we made it. He's gonna run around this time, see how he does. But checks out good. Need some urinary test we're going to do in a few weeks when I get my tax return, because I'm laid off and I don't have the extra money for that. But we're heading home. Hopefully it won't be raining, or just barely raining, so I can put that door handle on, because it would be nice to have that. But we shall return. Run free, little buddy. Made it home. Wasn't too bad of a ride with him running around. Definitely want to buy a harness and something to strap him into the seat so he can't go towards my feet. But does pretty good. I didn't want to force him to stay in that tiny cat carrier. When I have the big one, I just let him stay in there both ways. But we did it. Weather's not too terrible, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and get that door handle on. Hopefully it goes fast. Alright, so this is what we're starting with. I'm hoping these are the nuts that go onto the back of the door handle, which I'll show you in a second. So I'm going to try and get those all off. Then I gotta take this whole panel off so I can actually get to the inside where the nuts are. And here's the new one. Ain't she pretty? Definitely gonna work so much better. Alright, we got all that old crap off. Kinda sucks that this is rusty. I don't know if it's supposed to, looks like it's supposed to be a half moon. And they're all bent up, of course. Gonna have to repaint this. But a lot of this truck's gotta get repainted anyways. Huh, now I'm wondering, is that on the other side? Okay, it is. Just looks good. And it's a super pain to get in here. Here's one, here's the other one. And the other one is behind here. Not sure how I'm gonna do that one. But here we go. It works. And it matches. Just not as salty and dirty and used. But it works. Now put the panel back on and edit this video. We're gonna end it here because I said so. Peace out and don't stop trying. I lied. Wanted to show the door back together. Ooh, mud. Door locks. I have to find out what this thing is called so I can get a new one. And that works. So yeah, we're good. Peace out, mother truckers.